Hi, this is 2017 Toyota Sienna. The van have a alternator problem, alternator making a noise. So we're gonna replace the alternator. First of all, take the battery negative out. This is a 10 millimeter board, just loose, and take this off, separate it. Take the grill off. So it's very simple. There's a plastic clip right here. Just take the clip out like this. This one is like that. Just pull it from here. See, then it's come out. There's take all this clip out. Right here, one, right there. Then the grill off. This tab goes inside right here. So these are, be careful, don't break this. Just pull it like this. Our alternator right here. So we need little room. There's a 10 millimeter bolt right here, one here, and one on the other side, and here as well. And I take this off to 10 millimeter as well. So I have, after that, you see this, I can move this radiator. I took already this 10 millimeter bolt right there, way down right there. You see this? There's a 10 millimeter bolt. I took this off. So this AC line, you can move a little bit, just like this. After that, you see this, there's a hose, radiator hose, upper one. I have to take this off. I need a little room. Take this connection out. This is for the alternator. Take this out too. This is one 10 millimeter bolt right here, and one 12 millimeter bolt right here. I'm gonna take this. So after I open this, you see this alternator electric connection. There's a push tab right here. Just push it like this and pull it. This will come out. When you follow this way down, connector right there. See this? I need to take this off right there. See, this connection is off. That was here. This off. Goes off. You will lose a little bit of antifreeze. So be aware of this. See this 14 millimeter nut right here. See right there. There's a 14. This one right here. Helpful if you have one of the tools like this for the belt tensioner tools. If you don't have, you have to open the side tire. Then you will get the access. Put the 14 millimeter wrench and attach to the another wrench and push it. So before you open the belt, make sure you have take the picture or have the diagram for the belt. Take the picture will be better. When you take the tire off from the side, then you can get the whole view of the belt. But not doing, you see this, my tools is attached right there. See this 14 millimeter attached. When I push, look, see this. When you do this, the belt will get loose. So you have to push like this. Then this belt get loose. That just take the belt off from one of the smooth pulleys. It will be easy. See this, I did not open this one. Look, I attached to the hook right here. This is the belt tensioner. It's attached already. So I take this belt from the alternator pulley and leave as is like that. Then when I put it back, just lose this and take this off, then belt will be on one 14mm right here. See, this is my finger between two pulleys is right there. There's a 114. I'm gonna take this off. See, it has the socket right here. That's 12mm. That's this by the manifold right there. So we need to take this off too. Open this ball by the manifold one. I'm gonna use this little extension and the deep socket, this and little pipe, so I can have more leverage. I can open this easily, or you can take the dipstick out. There's a one bolt only right here. Take this up. Well, I don't need to this. It's loose already. See, it's loose. I can take it off. So my 3 bolt out. This is the bottom. This is the top one. This is on the side by the manifold. Now we need to pry it out a little bit. You see this coming out? Just pry like this. It will come out little by little. See this out already? Right here. Now the challenging part to pull this out. The alternator is upside down. You see, this is the little bracket right here. There's a 12mm bolt right there. I'm gonna take the bolt off. Then I can take the bracket out. Bracket is out. So remember, the orientation is like this. So you have to remember that. Take this fan off. It's very easy to take this off. You see the tab. Just push the tab and pull it. One here, and one right here. To take this off, I need to open this upper radiator hose so I can slide in, slide out. When you take the fan out, you see this? There's a transmission coolant line is here. I cut it off. Later I'm gonna put the tie with the hose, and there's a one harness attached to here. You have to take this off. Then it will easily pull out. This is the hose that was right here. So make sure you put the tie on this. Now you have enough space. See this? Pull this alternator out like this. See this? This came out all the way. Do not try to put without take the fan off. You're not gonna able to take the alternator out. When you take this, very easy, fan off, this easily you can do it. So this is our Toyota original parts. You see this, all this part number and everything is here. So when you pull this, put this, the bottom bolt, you cannot find the thread, so just push this like this all the way, then it sit whatever it's supposed to be. Then you tidy it up little by little. You can feel the thread, even though it's flush in here, but still you have to push this to tighten the bottom bolt. Okay, push your hand like this to the alternator. See, you can move a little bit and tight from the other side. Yeah, now I tight all this bolt, just hand tight. So this is the first bolt. I'm gonna tie it all the way. Take the bolt out. I can move this, or I can take this off. I don't need to. I need this little bit of room. The orientation, how I put this extension right there. It's all the way to the bolt. This is tight. I cannot tie it anymore. So first, second, this one. You take this off, it's tight. After that, I'm gonna tie this bolt all the way, then the bottom bolt all the way tight, and put it back together, everything. Thank you very much, guys. So reverse is removable, guys. Just simply just put it in. So make sure don't damage the radiators, the little by little. Be patient, just put it in. Make sure it's put this tab right here. Should make sure it's attached to right here. Then put all this connection back, all these hoses. Thank you very much, guys.